These guys are trying to save a wrecked supercar. While the body is in near perfect condition, the heart of the car and the engine has been ruined after it overheated. But these guys are going to try and rescue it. And what's more, they're going to try and save it in just 10 days. First, they disassemble the entire back of the car and remove the parts that were connected to the engine. The engine is removed from the car, and they carefully take each piece apart. It's vital that each part is put aside safely, so they can piece it back together later. They start to rebuild it by installing the parts back together very carefully. This is the most challenging part of the process, and the most important too. It involves precision and incredible attention to detail. After everything is placed back together, it's taken outside for a test drive. And it sounds as good as new.